Imagine waking up every day with more energy, less stress, and a deeper sense of balance. Sounds impossible? Stick around because today I'm revealing 3 simple, holistic habits that transformed my life, and at the end, a secret that ties it all together. If you've been searching for a way to feel vibrant at any age, this is it. So, what exactly is holistic living? I used to think it was all kale smoothies and yoga mats, but I was way off. Holistic living means treating yourself as a whole, mind, body, and spirit working together like a dream team. When I shifted to this approach, I felt lighter, calmer, and more alive. And here's the best part: you don't need big changes. Small, intentional steps create massive results. Let's start with the mind, because that's where true transformation begins. I used to wake up with my brain racing, bills, deadlines, worries. It was exhausting. That stress spilled into my body: tension, stomach aches, low energy. Here are 3 small changes that calmed my mind and lifted my health. Meditation. I started with just 5 minutes using a free guided app. At first, my mind wandered, but soon I noticed less stress and sharper focus. Science even shows it lowers stress hormones, key for healthy aging. Gratitude practice. Each morning I wrote down 3 simple things I was thankful for. This shifted my mindset from stress to appreciation. I slept better, felt happier, and started each day with optimism. Positive input. Instead of scrolling news, I swapped in uplifting podcasts. Think of it as a daily vitamin for your brain. Quick challenge. Try just one of these, maybe gratitude, for a week. Notice the difference. Which one would you try first? Drop it in the comments. Now let's talk about the body. I thought being healthy meant extreme diets and long workouts, but I discovered it's really about small, sustainable tweaks. Whole food swap. Instead of packaged snacks, I grabbed simple whole foods like apples with nut butter or a handful of almonds. I didn't cut out all treats, but even swapping 1 snack a day improved my energy and eased my joint pain. Gentle movement. Forget marathons. Just a 10-minute walk after dinner or chair yoga at home boosted my mood and flexibility. Studies show even light movement improves heart health and mobility, especially as we age. Rest and recharge. I stopped pushing through exhaustion. Short breaks, naps, and aiming for 7-8 hours of sleep made me more productive and energized. What's one small change you'd try? Snack swap, daily walk, or rest routine? Comment your choice below. And now, the soul. This is where things get powerful. Holistic living isn't complete without nurturing your spirit, and no, you don't have to be religious. It's about feeling connected. Yoga or mindful stretching. Even simple stretches with deep breathing helped me feel grounded and peaceful. Nature time. Just sitting outside, watching birds, or listening to the breeze gave me a sense of connection and lowered stress. Acts of kindness. Smiling at a neighbor or thanking a cashier reminded me we're all connected. It lifted my spirit instantly. Try one of these, like a 10-minute nature break, and see how it fills your spirit. Now, here's the secret that ties everything together: a morning ritual. In just 10 minutes, I combine one action for my mind, body, and spirit. For example, a quick stretch, body. Writing 1 gratitude note, mind. Taking a moment to enjoy the sunrise, spirit, that's it. Less than 10 minutes, but it sets the tone for my entire day. It's like giving yourself a holistic reset button every morning. So here's the big takeaway. Holistic living isn't about perfection. It's about simple, intentional steps. When you nurture your mind, body, and spirit together, you unlock a healthier, happier version of yourself. Which of these tips will you try first? Tell me in the comments. I love hearing from you.